Hi, my name's XT. I challenged myself to cook something different every day for 30 days. Today's day 24 of that challenge, and I'm being so serious when I say that I had Rice Krispie treats for dinner last night, for breakfast this morning, and also for lunch today. Wow. So I feel disgusting inside, and I need to eat a vegetable. So today I'm going to be making Anthony Bourdain's roasted cauliflower with sesame recipe. I think this is going to come together pretty quickly. It seems pretty easy to make. I've never made it before, but people on popular internet website Reddit had good things to say about it. Let's not waste any more time. We're going to preheat the oven to 450 degrees. Okay, the first thing we need to do is break up the cauliflower by hand into florets. Mr. Bourdain specifies to do it by hand, so I'm not getting near this thing with a knife. The theme of today is following the rules. Now that the cauliflower has been ripped apart, I'm going to transfer it to a large mixing bowl. Now I'm going to add 1/4 cup of olive oil, 2 whole teaspoons of salt. Oh my God. Which seems like a lot to me, but like I said, we're not deviating from the recipe today. Next, 1 teaspoon of ground coriander, 1 teaspoon of oregano, freshly ground pepper to taste. But I'm not about to taste this right now, so I'm just gonna eyeball it. Okay, I am dying to stir this and break up the big clump of salt that's in the middle. The goal is to have every little piece of cauliflower as evenly coated as possible. I'm transferring our seasoned cauliflower to a roasting pan. We're going to arrange these in an even layer, making as much room between the cauliflower as possible, because that's what Mr. Bourdain says to do. We're going to roast the cauliflower in the oven for 20 minutes. While the cauliflower is roasting, we're gonna prepare the sauce that we're gonna toss it in later. For the sauce, we need 2 tablespoons of tahini, 1 tablespoon of white miso, 2 teaspoons of red wine vinegar, and 1.5 tablespoons of water. We're going to whisk until it's a nice, smooth sauce. It's been 10 minutes, so we're just going to give the cauliflower a gentle toss and then rotate the tray in the oven. And then we have 10 more minutes to bake. I'm going to give the sauce a quick taste because honestly, this isn't normally the flavor profile that I would go for. Normally, I like to just burn out my palate with all the spice I can get, crank up the heat. So more of a sesame flavor is a departure for me. It's strong. I think it'll be good when it's on the cauliflower because cauliflower by itself is so bland. This is very bold and flavorful. I probably took a little bit too big of a taste. I'm going to put the cauliflower back in the same bowl we used earlier because I'll be honest, I don't feel the need to make extra dishes tonight. Now we're going to pour the sesame sauce over top. And I'm gonna stir to coat this cauliflower. Okay, so actually the recipe calls for 3 tablespoons of toasted white sesame seeds. This is the one spot we're gonna deviate just the tiniest bit. Okay, so I've got these black sesame seeds, and I'm just gonna use these. And I'm also not going to measure. Are black sesame seeds just toasted sesame seeds anyway? I don't know, you tell me. That's not for me to know. It's gonna be well coated with sesame seeds. I'm excited to try this. I liked that the recipe was very no nonsense. I feel like we got in when we got out. The visual appeal is there. It is salty, noticeably salty. It's pretty salty. If I made this again, I would use less salt, for sure. For sure less salt. Other than that, it's fine. Here's your comfort zone. Here's where the magic happens. I'm just kidding.